Hi there. In today's digital workplace, platforms like SharePoint, OneDrive, and Dropbox are essential, but cybercriminals are using them to trick users into giving up their credentials. At Impress IT Solutions, we're seeing a sharp rise in phishing emails that look like legitimate file shares. They say you've been sent a document, but when you click Open or View Document, you're taken to a fake login page that steals your credentials, or worse, installs malware. These emails often come from real people you know, co-workers or vendors whose accounts have already been compromised, and they usually sound urgent. Please review ASAP or time-sensitive document. Here's the deal. Do not click the Open or View button on these file-sharing emails unless you're absolutely sure it's real. Instead, call or message the sender directly to confirm. We're helping businesses in West Houston stay ahead of these attacks with advanced email security, employee training, and threat monitoring. So if you're not sure your team is protected, or you just want a second opinion, we offer complimentary cybersecurity assessments. Stay sharp, stay secure. This is Roland with Impress IT Solutions, your local partner in IT and cybersecurity.